folks, we got another BNSF train going by 710 Amtrak San Joaquin Valley train. Okay, so here comes the BNSF train. So we're gonna be sitting on a siding for a little bit. Ooh, Canadian Pacific, 2 of them. Whoa, ultimate catch on that one. 2 Canadian Pacific lead it off. On a grain train right now. This is a grain train with 2 CMP on it. Lead it off. 2 CP units lead it off. And it's leading on the grain train. Man, oh man, ultimate catch of the day. Alright folks, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.